Hey guys, welcome to a Lunar Beaches update video. As you can see on this chart, well, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for joining. Today's going to be, maybe today and tomorrow, it's going to be a little weird, okay? It's going to be kind of scary, to be frank, but we'll push through, okay guys? And I'll show you why in a sec. So, I already have the chart pulled up for you guys. Bitcoin sitting at 30,600 basically. It has been falling. Price has been falling today pretty kind of dramatically. Let's see, we are down 3.64% since 7 p.m. yesterday. So go back to the Bitcoin chart. Now, yesterday, I was just trying to find a fractal that looked, at least the beginning of the fractal. So, I was looking for something that looked similar to this right here. This little hump, I guess you could call it. This hump right here. So, I was looking for that, and I found something similar right here. And this was pre like mega bull mode for Bitcoin. So up in this area right here, this is where Tesla came out and said that Elon Musk came out and said that Tesla had bought 1.5 billion Bitcoin, and that Tesla would start using Bitcoin as payment to buy Teslas. And then right around here, let me just circle it for you guys. Right around here is where they said, where Elon Musk got into all that Twitter feud stuff, talking about energy consumption with Bitcoin and how Tesla was no longer going to accept Bitcoin as payment for Teslas. And then the market crashed after that. So, and then we just been consolidating down here for a couple of months now, if not 3 months almost. And now we're just, I believe we are seeing the last shakeout, the final shakeout. So I took that fractal right there and moved it over here. And it just so happens to nail the, nail the 4.236, yeah. So, sorry, I'm on break at work, so I'm just trying to get this out as soon as possible. I just wanted to show you guys some things. I want you to know to not be worried. I would start getting worried if Bitcoin closed below this Fibonacci level right here at around $29,980, somewhere in that range. So I do expect, or at least I hope, for a spring out of here, and we do get more of that V shape. It's going to end up being more of a U shape, but kind of a V shape recovery out of this, for one final blow off top. And then, I mean, people keep calling for, $100,000 Bitcoin. It would have to get up there. It's not impossible. Momentum could take us up there, but I would say right here around 73,000 would be a good time to start taking profits and getting out, if not before then, like somewhere in this area right here, because we could just see a 702 retracement from this breakdown right here. And let me see. And that would put us, so somewhere in this area right here, around 50K. Or somewhere in this area, 54K. So 50 to 54, I think you should start thinking about taking some profits, but that would be if you are in Bitcoin, and if you're not holding for long term, But even if you are holding for long term, I'd still probably start taking some profits on the way up, just in case it doesn't break that previous all-time high and create a new all-time high. So it could happen. We'll just have to wait and see. Now, the big news of the day is the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. That is where they are where Grayscale is. Well, they unlocked 40,000 plus Bitcoin yesterday, and now that Bitcoin is on the open market. So data is delayed. All is well. Market is open. GBTC data is delayed by 15 minutes to get real-time data for OTC markets. Please buy the real-time data package. First of all, I bought the biggest package for TradingView, so y'all need to get your stuff together. Anyway, I guess that's a whole nother deal. But yeah, so right now we opened the Grayscale opened up at $25 or so. Let's see. Well, it just says opened at $25.03. Its high has been $25.09. Its low has been $24.85. And it is currently at $24.85. So I'm waiting to see exactly what happens with this, and I kind of expect for this market to just kind of drift down until the wee hours of the market, and then everything starts getting bought up. I don't know if it's going to have that dramatic of an impact in price, but that's just what I think is going to happen. It's going to get sucked up. So the wick would actually, or the candle would actually look like this. It would actually come down and then shoot back up, because this is on the daily, and that's what we would want to see. So I do expect some kind of downward movement at the beginning of the day because of all of the supply being released, but I do expect it to be bought up. Now, I do expect on Bitcoin for us, we could possibly come down here and test, or we could fall down to here and test also, but I fully expect for that to get gobbled back up and sucked back up. And then if that is the case, guys, I think this is what we're looking forward to right here. So yeah, and then over here on let's take a look at the XRP price chart. XRP, guys, is at an amazing discount at 55.6 cents. For all those people at $2 or $1.50 and above that just wish they had got in sooner, now's your time. Now's your time. You can get your XRP now. And I would, because I just listened to an interview with Matt Hamilton, who is a developer at Ripple, and I'm telling you guys, the stuff that they have in store that's coming up, it's just gonna blow everything out of the water. They can do everything. You can do everything on the XRP ledger, just about. I mean, they're coming out with NFTs. Ripple invested in Mintables, which is an NFT chain, I think, network or something. And then they got NFTs, and then there's a company building smart contracts on the XRP ledger, and there's just so many different use cases for it. So with that being said, with all those use cases, eventually, especially once we get some clarity through this SEC case, XRP is going to be being used a lot. And that use case will drive that price up. So just keep an eye on that. XLM, basically everything is kind of looking the exact same on every chart. We just got this downward movement, and I do expect a spring out of there soon. And then we also have, we also have the B Word conference coming up in 2 days on Wednesday. And like I said in my video the other day, that involves Jack Dorsey, and anything that involves Jack Dorsey will be trending on Twitter, and it'll create a buzz, and that is what we are looking for. We are looking for something to create a buzz in the market, because right now I can tell that sentiment is just in the gutter, and people are just not happy right now. Whoa, Dash. Look at Dash. Now, that's a front runner right there. Dash is going strong. Whoa. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to see this from many different coins in the market. But that is amazing. 46%. I might need to go take some profits real quick. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm here if you guys need me. Let me, just... If you like the content, please like the video and hit that subscribe button. And that's going to be it for this one. Peace.